The spikenard is also known as the Saint Joseph flower and belongs to the valerian family. Its beauty makes it an ideal option for creating floral art, from centerpieces to bouquets, among other items. It's a typical flower appearing in church decoration, especially white spikenard. Aralia racemosa spikenard, spikenard season, also known as American spikenard. Spikenard blooms in July. How long does the smell of spikenard last? I tell you, when you put this nard of Jerusalem on, the scent lasts 2 days. How is the smell of spikenard? With both an earthy and musky scent, spikenard essential oil is also a highly prized perfume. While you might appreciate spikenard's fragrance or its use in religious ceremonies, more information is needed to determine whether this herb has the purported medicinal benefits that alternative practitioners suggest. Is spikenard the same as lavender? In biblical texts, lavender is often referred to as spikenard or nard, from the Greek name for lavender nardas, after the Syrian city Narda. Under this pseudonym, lavender appears multiple times throughout the Bible, most often associated with its amazing scent that was prized by ancient people.